Good evening, students. In today's session, I'll be guiding you through the labyrinthine maze of how exactly to deal with this concept or with this fundamental fixture of vocabulary in almost every single competitive examination that involves English as a hardcore, as a full-fledged subject in its totality. So now going by the terms of our heading, how to strengthen your vocabulary for CUET examination, I'll be giving you a brief guideline, a brief snapshot on how to brace yourself up for this particular examination, and the one of the most fundamental challenges under this examination, that is vocabulary in totality. Now just look here. Commence with the cultivation of the habit of reading. Reading is something that forms the pith and marrow of your process of developing a reliable and diversified vocabulary for almost every purpose. Okay, so going by that, commence with the cultivation of the habit of reading, and in between, whenever any complex word goes out of your depth of understanding here means that whenever you feel there is a particular word, suppose you started reading some specific Russian novel, okay, you took up Anna Karenina and you started going through it, and in between you are beset by a multitude of terms that have nothing to do with your normal and with your conventional vocabulary, with your conventional glossary of terms, then in that case don't be overwhelmed by it. Rather look up for them in the dictionary and maintain a proper list of terms in a separate and dedicated notebook. So what did I say? I say commence with the cultivation of the habit of reading. सबसे पहला काम आपने अगर कोई करना है इस प्रोसेस को आगे बढ़ाने के लिए, तो वो है कि आप अपनी रीडिंग को मजबूत करें, रीडिंग को इनिशिएट करें. इफ यू आर नॉट एन इनिशियल बिगिनर, इफ यू हैव स्टिल नॉट come in touch with this art of reading, then it's time, let's bid goodbye to all other interests, to all other longings, to all other musings, and get in touch with this mysterious and mesmerizing world of reading at large. Okay, तो अब time आ गया है that you start reading, that you get in touch, get your inner self in touch with this mysterious world of reading, with this highly rewarding world of reading, and you would see for yourself how in a multitude of ways it has come to enrich your life in totality. Okay, अब जरा इधर हम देखेंगे. Commence with the cultivation of the habit of reading, and in between, whenever any complex word goes out of your depth of understanding. Depth of understanding का मतलब क्या है? आप कोई भी मान लीजिए नॉवल पढ़ते हैं, कोई भी आप किसी भी टाइप की नॉवल पढ़ते हैं, सपोज आपने कोई रशियन नॉवल उठाई, एना कैरेनिना पढ़ी, एंड इन दैट केस बहुत सारे वर्ड्स ऐसे आए जो आपको नहीं समझ आ रहे थे, इन दैट केस इट्स योर मॉरल रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी, लुक अप फॉर ऑल ऑफ देम, ईच वन ऑफ देम इन अ डिक्शनरी एंड मेक अ सेपरेट notation of them in a notebook. Okay, going ahead, revise your list of new founded and newly maintained words on a daily basis so as to keep a proper mnemonic track. आपके जो डेली बेसिस पे आप ऐसे नए वर्ड्स जो सीख रहे हैं उनका एक प्रॉपर ट्रैक मेंटेन करें, उनको एक प्रॉपर नोटबुक में मेंटेन करें और उनका डेली बेसिस पे, डायरनल बेसिस पे रिविजन करें. ठीक है. नंबर 3, develop a vast portfolio of reading materials and try to diversify your reading sources that are inclusive of the most unconventional of topics like साइकोलॉजी एंड फिलॉसफी. बहुत बार स्टूडेंट्स कंप्लेन करते हैं कि सर कुछ टॉपिक्स ऐसे आ जाते हैं, देयर आर सर्टेन टर्म्स, there are certain words which are of extraction that is totally out of our depth. We are unable to grasp or gauge the very provenance from where they have been picked up, or the very background from where they have been sourced. तो उस चीज को देखते हुए, उस चीज को समझते हुए हमारे लिए बहुत जरूरी है कि हम अपनी रीडिंग मटेरियल्स को डाइवर्सिफाई करें. ऐसा ही नहीं है कि हम क्राइम थ्रिलर पढ़ रहे हैं तो क्राइम थ्रिलर ही पढ़ते रहे, हम फिक्शन पढ़ रहे हैं तो हम फिक्शन पढ़ते रहे, हम साई-फाई पढ़ रहे हैं तो हम साई-फाई ही पढ़ते रहे. हमें अपने रीडिंग सोर्सेस को डाइवर्सिफाई करना है, ज्यादा से ज्यादा करना, और हर रीडिंग सोर्स की जो एक फेमिलियर, जो एक टिपिकल ग्लॉसरी ऑफ टर्म्स है, उससे खुद को रिलेट करवाना है, खुद को फेमिलियराइज करवाना है. दैट शैल फॉर्म द फर्स्ट पिलर ऑफ आवर consolidation of this task of developing a reliable and unique vocabulary that shall be our biggest asset for this competitive challenge of CUET. Last but not the least, do not forget, reading is the key to developing a reliable cache of diversified vocabulary. आप अगर अच्छे से अच्छा खुद को कंटेंट अपने माइंड में फीड करना चाहते हैं तो उसके लिए जरूरी है यू गेट यूज्ड टू द हैबिट ऑफ रीडिंग. You get in touch with this habit of reading. Make your inner self a privy in this development, in this rather rewarding development in the days to come. Thank you, bachcho. Thanks a lot.